In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Python to Path on Windows 11. By the end, you'll have a clean, up-to-date Python installation that works from any command prompt because it's properly added to your system path. We'll move carefully and keep things simple while giving you just enough context to understand what's happening. First, we'll remove any existing Python installation to avoid conflicts. Uninstalling ensures the new installer can set up everything correctly, including the path entry. On Windows 11, open Settings, go to Apps, and then Installed Apps. Look for any entries named Python, and choose Uninstall for each one you find. This won't delete your projects or scripts stored elsewhere, but it will remove the old interpreter and tools so we start fresh. Next, open your browser and head to the official Python website. It's important to download Python only from the official source to avoid outdated or modified builds. On the site, navigate to the Downloads section for Windows. You'll see the latest stable release highlighted at the top. Now, download the latest Windows installer. For most systems, the 64-bit installer is the right choice. Click the main download button for the current Python 3 release and save the file to a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. This installer bundles Python itself along with useful tools. When the download finishes, run the installer. On the first screen, look for the checkbox at the bottom labeled Add Python to Path, and make sure it's checked. This is the key setting. The path is a list of locations. Windows checks when you type a command. By adding Python to Path, you'll be able to run Python and pip from any terminal or PowerShell window without extra configuration. If this box isn't checked, you would need to set environment variables manually later. With that box selected, click Install Now. The installer will copy files, set up the interpreter, and configure pip so you can install packages later. Depending on your system, you might be prompted for administrator approval, and the process can take a couple of minutes. Just let it run until it reports success. If you see optional components or advanced settings, you can leave them at their defaults for a standard setup. Finally, when the installation finishes, click Close. That's it. You've installed Python and ensured it's added to your path on Windows 11, setting you up for a smooth development experience.